In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping rates in Stripe in this 2025 tutorial. Setting up shipping rates is a crucial step in managing your online store, as it ensures that you can accurately charge your customers for delivery. Let's dive into the process and get those shipping rates set up. First, you'll want to head over to the Stripe dashboard. You can easily access this by going to the Stripe website and logging into your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the main navigation bar and click on Product Catalog. This is where all your products and related settings are managed, so it's the perfect place to start. Once inside the product catalog, scroll down the options and look for shipping rates. Clicking here will direct you to the area where you can manage and configure your shipping fees. This section is specifically designed for handling the logistics of delivery, making it intuitive to set up how much you'll charge your customers to ship their orders. After accessing the shipping rates, you'll want to create a new rate. Do this by clicking on the Create Shipping Rate button, which is typically found at the top of the page. This is the starting point for defining how your shipping fees will be structured. Upon clicking it, you'll be prompted to start filling in the details of your new rate. Next comes the part where you determine the shipping amount. This is where you set how much you'll charge for shipping for different order quantities or weights depending on your business needs. Ensure that the amount reflects your actual shipping costs so you cover fees without overcharging your customers. In addition, if you're dealing with international customers or multiple currencies, don't forget you can change the currency setting here. This feature is particularly useful if you're operating in a global market, as it allows you to customize shipping charges for different countries, ensuring accuracy and consistency in your pricing. Moving forward, it's time to provide a description of the shipping rate. Adding a brief description helps both you and your team remember exactly what the rate is for or under what conditions it applies. It's a small step, but it adds clarity to your configurations. Then input the minimum and maximum values that define this shipping rate's applicability. This range can be based on weight, price, or quantity, aligning with how you manage your deliveries. Carefully setting these parameters ensures that every order your customers make falls within the correct shipping category, helping to streamline your operations. Finally, after double-checking your entries, hit the Save button. Saving locks in all the settings you've carefully input, making your new shipping rate ready to go. This last step is crucial to ensure that all your efforts are successfully stored and applied to future transactions. And there you have it. You've just added a shipping rate in Stripe. Remember, you can always come back and revise these rates as needed to adapt to changes in shipping costs or business strategy. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials to help optimize your online store.